Hi. If you design electronic circuits, one of the most important skills you can have is the ability to accurately solder. Here are 7 things you will need. One, a good soldering iron. Here's a picture of a Hakko 936 used for over 15 years. Currently, I'm using this one. It's a Hakko FX 888D. These are relatively inexpensive. 2, water-soluble flux activates the solder connection, allowing a good, accurate solder joint. And then you can wash the board and it's clean as a whistle afterwards. 3, you have to use the proper solder type. In other words, the core has to match the flux. In other words, 2331. Proper lighting. I use a backlight and notice a gooseneck in the center. You can buy these goosenecks from IKEA. 5, magnification, just as important as everything else. I really like these goosenecks. You can repurpose them by designing a holder for the lenses in Fusion 360 and then 3D printing them. 6, tweezers and other small tools. In part 3, I will demonstrate a couple of these tools. And you can see how they're used. 7, mostly you need patience. When you first start, your hand-to-eye coordination can suffer, but you get better, just like any skill. So just dive in and start soldering. You can do it. In part 2 of the series, we will look at the anatomy of a good solder joint, both through-hole, SMT, and wire solder connections. Thanks for watching.